Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on TikTok. It's pretty easy. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First of all, open up TikTok and make sure you're logged into your account. And just go to the Me tab and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll a bit down to see the support section and click on Report a Problem. You want to go to the account and profile. Click on the Editing Profile tab and click on Other. Once you're here, you need to click on Still Have a Problem, and this basically sends you to a sort of tab where you can explain what your problem is. And you just want to type something like, "Hello, my birth date on my account is wrong and I would like to change it." And then you can either just say like, "Okay, this is my birthday," or right here at the picture, sort of like icon, you can add picture from your ID or passport just to show that this is your actual birthday. And then click on Report right here. And that will just send you over to the help center. And yeah, you might have to wait a few days before they change it. But that's basically how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.